आजची पत्रकार परिषद परिक्रमा हो एक सुंदर असो कॉन्सेप्ट घेऊन गेली 7 वर्ष जाली एक नॉलेज टर्मिनस असो एक कॉन्सेप्ट घेऊन गोयच्या तरणाट्यांक एक प्लॅटफॉर्म दिवपा खातीर प्रयत्न करता आणि ह्या संदर्भात तुमकां म्हजे बरोबर उपस्थित आसात आमचे रवींद्र भवन मडगांवचे चेअरमॅन श्रीमान राजेंद्र तारक सर, त्याच प्रमाणे आमचे विद्या प्रबोधिनीचे प्राध्यापक प्राचार्य आदरणीय भूषण भावी सर आणि ह्या एकंदरीत परिक्रमा ह्या संकल्पनेतले मुखार वाव देणारे युगांक बाब नायक हे कन्व्हेनर म्हणून आसात। हांव ताचे लागीं मागता की तांणी ह्या विशयी आमच्या सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करून बाकीचो एंटायर रूपरेषा जी आसा ती तुमची
सगळ्यां पयलीं सगळ्या मानून हांगा आयले। परिक्रमाचे उपक्रम हे सगळे गोंयभर शिक्षणीक संस्था बिगर शिक्षणीक संस्था हांचे कडेन पाविल्ले आसा। सातत्यान 7 वर्सां अखंडीतपणान हो उपक्रम चालू आसा आणि ह्या 0.7 म्हणजे 0 हो सदांच पयलीं आसता ही 7वी आवृत्ती परिक्रमाची अंदू घडून येता जी लास्ट ताजो 0.7 म्हणजे ताका आमी झिरो फेस्ट म्हणटा ते 1 आणि 2 फेब्रुवारी 2025 दिसा मडगांव रवींद्र भवनान जातले। आमी तांचे जोड पालव घेतले ते रवींद्र भवन मडगांव। बट ताज्या पयलीं की 0.7 इट इज नॉट एन यूथ फेस्टिवल ऑर कॉलेज फेस्टिवल, सो ताज्यो एक्टिविटीज वर्सभर चालू आसा। आणि पयली एक्टिविटी जी आमी रिसर्च बेस्ड कॉम्पिटिशन्स आणि एकेडमीक फोरम जो हायर सेकंडरी खातीर आसा आणि द कॉन्क्लेव हे कॉलेज आणि बिगर शिक्षणीक संस्थां खातीर आसा, ताजें लॉन्चिंग आमी केलां आणि ताजी तयारी पुराय गोंयभरान सद्या सुरू आसा। एकंदरीत म्हणजे पोरूं जेन्ना 0.6 जालो तेन्ना एकंदरीत 3000 वयर आमकां वांटेकार सर्तक पार्टिसिपंट म्हणून मेळ्ळे। ताका अंदू पयले फावट म्हणजे 0.7 हो फोंडे म्हालांतल्यान वेगळे कडेन वता म्हणजे आनी ग्रामीण भागांतल्यान हो शहरी भागांत वता की आणि ताजी तयारी वेगळे पद्दतीन आमी सुरू केल्या आणि ताजो पयलो उपक्रम आमी 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 भुरग्यां मुखार हाडला। ताची म्हायती आमचे परिक्रमाचे मानद फेलो तशेंच विद्या प्रबोधिनी महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य प्राध्यापक भूषण भावी सर आमचे लागीं हांव मागता की तांणी प्रस्ताव।
Good morning. Let me first of all congratulate Parikrama, the knowledge terminus, for continuously engaging in these research activities for the last 7 years. By now, they should have at least a huge repository of knowledge which is stored by their services. Everybody is working for youth festivals. There are so many types of youth festivals in Goa. But the need of the hour is to go for some sort of a research activity. And I think Parikrama is doing that task for last 7 years. As we all know, biodiversity has been discussed a lot. The concept of biodiversity, before the implementation of NEP, it was thought that it is only a part of science education. But it is not that. That biodiversity should be included in the curriculum of only science faculty. It should be a part of arts, commerce and every faculty of education. Because all of us, we are facing the effects of global warming, climate change, irrespective of what type of education we are taking, where we live. So this is a global issue. And hence I congratulate Yugank and his team for basically taking this theme for this year's events, biodiversity. Biodiversity should be a part of the curriculum, it should be a part of research. We should be able to analyze, understand, also appeal to the people about the biodiversity, find out various ways. There are various talks about Indian knowledge systems. We had some beautiful knowledge systems which can tackle the biodiversity issues of the day. Like for example, आम्ही सगळे केळीच्या पानार जेवताले आदल्या तेंपार. This system will will reduce the pollution to a great extent if you introduce it back. So such type of Indian knowledge systems, such type of traditional knowledge which is existing among the various communities, the tribals, the aborigines and the village people, as Yuvankan just now said, the priority of all these activities was to focus on the traditional knowledge and to bring forth all these in the form of a research. बरयता खूप पूण ते रिसर्चा फॉर्मान बरयनात. I asked some of my colleagues who are doing research in Indian languages, which style do you use for your producing the PhD now or any sort of a research? They are not aware about what is MLA, what is APA. So these are the different styles of crediting the research papers, how to write them, the quality research paper. Nobody is aware. So Parikrama is trying to imbibe these type of skills through MLA, following of MLA style of writing research papers or APA style of writing papers. And basically, as we see today, most of the Indian languages, including the huge languages like Hindi, which are spoken by 70-80 crore population in the country, they don't have any material on these issues. म्हाका कोणें दाखोवचें आसा जाल्यार म्हज्या म्हायतीन येवना. ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंगाचेर देशी भाशांनी बरयल्लें पुस्तक आसा जाल्यार कोणें दाखोवचें. क्लायमेट चेंजाचेर तुमकां कितें सापडलां देशी भाशांनी जाल्यार दाखोवचें. These are the issues now which are to be discussed, and Parikrama is the best platform for all the researchers. They have come out with various competitions before the fest, which is going to be held in Margaon this year under the guidance of our Rajan Bab Talak at Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir. And support by government is the most important thing for such things, because otherwise people may not accept. See, today if you write a research paper in any other common journal, nobody is going to recognize it. It should be recognized by Scopus or Web of Science or at least UGC CARE listed journals. Then only it will be taken as a standard research paper. So in order to imbibe among our students, our researchers, this type of a feeling, I feel that such competitions are a must. The conclave which is going to be held now to encourage a research aptitude and create documentation on various topics, competitions such as research essay, infographics. This is a new field now. Instead of expressing in words, you express through graphics with minimum number of words. So this is the new way of expressing for this generation. I think all these our students should be, Goan students especially, should be exposed to such things. Storytelling, documentaries have been floated. There is no age bar or there is no condition that the particular aspirant should be a student or a non-student, nothing like that. Anybody can participate. The material which is collected, as I said before, it will be a part of the repository which Parikrama is having on its own and which will be used for further research in that particular area. The digital literature such as documentation and the infographics shall be a part of the repository. Parikrama has created literature on Goa's political economy with such initiative. Already they have created such literature. Now you require orientation because unless and until you orient the students on what we expect, it is not possible the students will come out with such research papers of quality. So we have organized an orientation on 31st of August at Rajiv Gandhi Kala Mandir, so that all the aspirants, all our researchers, young budding researchers who wish to take part in such competitions will be oriented well how to write a good standard research paper which can be accepted by all these platforms. Right? Another thing that Parikrama has organized is academic forum. This academic forum is recognizing the need to raise awareness about the competitive exams and the various career options that are available, which were not available 5 years ago or 10 years ago. Nobody knew event management as one of the career options. Nobody could visualize also. But now such new opportunities in the field of career have come, and therefore our students need to be oriented about that also. Parikrama has focused on higher secondary schools for this academic forum. Catch them young is the thing which has been brought out. If you catch them at 11th or 12th, by the time they graduate or post-graduate, they will be in a position to decide about their own career. So after graduating, they may not be employees only, they may be the employers, future employers. This is the concept behind this academic forum. Forum has Ashutosh Teli Pednekar delivered a keynote address in the last year. This process has started already. It also involved young professionals like Mr. Dhond, Mr. Katya Coelho, Sunayana Shirodkar, Dr. Balaji Shanoy and Tanvi Raut Desai. These were the faculties which are already invited in the last year. The current edition of the academic forum will be held for higher secondary schools from 1st of October. So with these two announcements, I again thank for the Minister for supporting such research.
Been part of this and the guest एक दोन आयलो तेन्ना हांव इकडे म्हणटालो अरे इज गोइंग ऑल द ग्रामीण भागांत सगळो वता वाय डोंट यू कम टू द सिटी ऑल्सो सी तांचे प्रॉब्लेम्सूय वेगळे आसा सिटीनी वीच वील ऑल्सो आज भुरग्यांक जर तुमी विचारल्यार आरे तूं कितें करता तो एक अशें टर्म सांगता की आमकां खबरूच नासता तांणी इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट आतां इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटाचे मुखार पावल्यात ते सबडिवायड जाले आनी इव्हेंट मॅनेज कोण लॉजिस्टीक म्हणटा कोण
हेंचे नांवान बेस्ट एक टीचर यंग टीचर एवॉर्ड म्हणून आमी प्रदान करतात. ताचे फाटल्यान वेगळे वेगळे संकल्प वेगळे वेगळे इनोवेटीव आयडियाज आसात. त्याच प्रमाणे परिक्रमा एक वेगळे तरेचे एक मॅगझीन ते पब्लीश करतात आनी मॅगझीन जे आसात ते हे सगळे पार्टिसिपंट जे आसात ते भुरग्यांनी तयार केल्ली हे मॅगझीन आसता. सगळ्या एकंदरीत माध्यमांतल्यान संपूर्ण गोंयचे जे आमचे युथ्स जे आसात there is no age bar. Especially I will appeal to all the students